you are now at the stage when the important personal decision as to where and what course you study will influence the rest of your life. So PPIMT is the best choice.
Prananath Pranami Institute of Management and Technology needs no introduction. Prananath Pranami Educational Society, a non-profit society, established PPIMT in 2009 with a single-minded motive to give students global-level engineering and management education. In such a short span of hardly 2 years, it has come a long way in its commitment and created the path of success for thousands of learners. Swami Shri Sadanandaji Maharaj is the chairman, who is well-known saint, philosopher and philanthropist on this earth. He also stood for the commitment to serve the society by spreading the light of knowledge. He is the founder of many schools, colleges and educational institutions. Mr. Nitin Kathuria is the managing director. Dr. K.L. Miglani is the CAO and Dr. S.P. Garg is the principal of the institute. They are committed to see their visions materializing in the creation of a new paradise of knowledge and research.
Our institute has a well-equipped labs. It is just like a international standard, and the stuff which we are taking, that is also of a high quality, and the faculty which we have recruited, that is also for better, because we have brought the person not only from this state but from the other state like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Punjab state. So they are imparting the qualitative education to the student.
Today, PPIMT's recognition in quality education is rapidly expanding beyond the geographical barriers. Students living not only in different parts of Haryana, Rajasthan, UP and Punjab, but also from all parts of the country are opting for PPIMT programs, which is a testament of quality of education, faculty and facilities we offer. Curriculum of various programs is designed in such a manner that it guides the students' undertaking of business, corporate culture and industry requirement at entry level of management. It includes computer science and engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, automobile engineering. These all courses are affiliated to Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, and approved by AICTE, Ministry of HRD. The institute has a breathtaking permanent campus, encouraging in its setting with well-manicured lawns and a dash of beautiful flowers that energizes mind, body and soul. Outstanding designs of all the buildings here with the latest technology and amenities in this campus. CCTV monitors the full campus. Classrooms are well furnished, spacious and ventilated, where interactive classes are taken with scientific and result-oriented methodology. Daily progress is monitored, conducting of regular class tests. Library has a collection of over 15,000 home-picked books on various subjects and current issues. It is fully computerized. The library has a vast range of textbooks, reference books, manuals, magazines, newspapers, etc. institute is having a computer lab with 500 computers and 2 Mbps internet connections, locally networked and connected through Wi-Fi. Also to the central server are available for students for their project works and preparing seminar presentations. All the computers are loaded with latest software and hardware. The laboratories and workshops are well equipped. The outdoor games like cricket, basketball, volleyball and football and the indoor games facilities are also provided. The canteen of the institute has been set with all modern facilities and the learners enjoy with different type of foodstuffs with a wide range of menu. It is fully hygienic and qualitative. The institute offers separate hostels for boys and girls with homely environment and parental care comprising the world-class facilities make students feel at home. Over 25% of the students come from surrounding areas. The transport facilities for the students and staff members on different routes like Adampur, Hasi, Sivani, Hisar, Agroha is available. Our bus routes have been structured in such a way that it enables us to pick and drop the students from every nook and corner on nominal charges. For teacher coordination and effectiveness, PPIMT is the first institute of the state to initiate ERP system. Through this system, parents can monitor the performance of their ward on live. PPIMT is committed to achieve, maintain and continuously improve technical excellence with overall development of the students. The institute has also signed the MOU with various universities of different countries.
I was very impressed when I saw such a fast-growing institute. I was very impressed with the aims of the managers and hunger of the students for education. I think that this is very promising for the India.
PPIMT HRD network is quite strong. For the placements of the students, PPIMT is having association with more than 100 corporate houses. A laptop is given every year to the topper of the institute as Guru Mangal Daji Award, and scholarship of rupees 10,000 to rupees 1 lakh is given to the deserving students as Param Pujya Swami Sadanandaji Maharaj Scholarship. The institute offers unique mix-up pedagogy and curricular activities. Various forms of co-curricular activities like cultural programs, speech, inter-college competitions, group discussion, etc. are regular features to enhance the overall personality of the students. Institute is committed to groom potential of students for specific industry needs. PPIMT focused on overall personality development of the budding engineers through a series of industry visits and corporate lectures, presentations, role-playing, workshops, etc. The institute is having highly qualified, experienced and dedicated faculty. Experts from industry professional and environment academicians are also invited to deliver lectures on specialized topics to supplement and enhance the traditional academic progress. At PPIMT, students are not only skilled for academic excellence, but are also given an adequate amount of contribution, which are varied and comprehensive to make them responsible citizens of an esteemed country like India.